Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to learn about the safety lock system on the Horizon 6 Flex. How the Horizon 6 Flex safety lock system works. The safety lock system is a feature built into your Horizon 6 Flex. It cannot be disabled. It has three main features. First, it keeps the centrifuge locked whenever the rotor is moving, even if the power goes out. Second, it ensures that the lid is closed and latched before the rotor will start. And finally, it will re-engage the lock 60 seconds after a cycle finishes. Today, we're going to learn how to tell when the centrifuge is locked and how to unlock it when needed. When the centrifuge is locked, the LED above this unlocked icon will be dark. The latched light may be illuminated at the same time the unlocked LED is dark, if your centrifuge lid latch is engaged. The unlocked LED is only illuminated when the centrifuge is unlocked. You'll still need to open the physical latch, but the lock isn't in place. If you leave the lid open and the latch disengaged, the unlocked LED will turn off. The system is still working. As soon as you close and latch the lid again, the centrifuge will lock. To unlock the centrifuge, simply press the Stop Unlock button. The unlocked LED will illuminate, and you can twist the lid latch and lift the lid to access the rotor. If the centrifuge is spinning, pressing Stop Unlock will stop the current cycle. The centrifuge will come to a stop and then unlock automatically. You won't need to press Stop Unlock again. The centrifuge will automatically unlock for 60 seconds after every spin. So, if you open it during that time to retrieve your samples, there will be no need to use the Stop Unlock button. If your centrifuge loses power while locked, or the Stop Unlock button otherwise becomes disabled, you'll need to use the emergency unlock. To use the emergency unlock, you'll need a flat object to peel up one of your centrifuge's labels and a pointed object to pull the unlock switch. We use a flathead screwdriver and a pen, but any similar objects will work. The emergency unlock is located underneath the Open-Close sticker, just in front of the rotor chamber. Use the screwdriver to peel up the sticker. The emergency unlock is accessible through this small hole in the cabinet. Place the tip of the pen in the hole and pull forward. The lock will disengage. Now you can turn the lid latch a quarter turn counterclockwise and access the rotor chamber. Using the emergency unlock may damage your Open-Close sticker. If you need a new one, or if you have any questions about your Horizon 6 Flex safety lid system, you can always contact Drucker customer service and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.